Welcome to this video. We will guide you through configuring the Akuvox 2-wire intercom kit. The kit usually contains an indoor monitor and a door phone, which can be deployed conveniently for either on-premise or cloud projects. In this video, we will use the 2-wire indoor monitor C313W and the 2-wire door phone R20K, powered by a 48-volt adapter. This video consists of 4 essential parts, covering device wiring, initial setup, and how devices interact with the SmartPlus app if they are deployed on the cloud. Let's begin with the wiring. Please refer to the wiring diagram. The indoor monitor supplies both the power and network connectivity to the door phone. Insert the positive and negative wires of the power adapter into a pair of PLC ports on the indoor monitor. No specific sequence is required. Then, connect the door phone and indoor monitor via PLC ports using wires. Ensure firm and secure connections. Connect an Ethernet cable to the indoor monitor and power on devices. Now, let's configure the devices. Select your preferred language and time zone. Then, choose the device working mode. Auto allows the device to adapt to network changes automatically. Master indicates the device provides network to the door phone. Slave indicates the NS. 2 provides network. Next, configure the network by choosing either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Then, the indoor monitor will scan other Akuvox devices on the same local network. You can tap the setting icon to configure the target device's name, input, relay, and network. These scanned devices will display on the indoor monitor's call list after initial configuration. Tap Next to add cards right away, saving you the step of adding them through the door phone's web interface. Tap Add and place the card on the door phone. Each card is bound to a user. Swipe the card on the door phone to open the door. After finishing the initial setup, basic calling, unlocking, and monitoring can be achieved.
Welcome, please come in. Welcome, please come in.
When the devices are deployed on the SmartPlus cloud, a QR code will display after the initial setup. If you skip the step, you can find the code later on the More, Settings, SmartPlus screen. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone to download the SmartPlus app. If you have installed the app, simply open the app to scan the code. Enter the user account information. The email address is used to receive the SmartPlus login credentials. If you also want to log in via SMS, enter the mobile phone number. Submit the setting. You will receive the welcome email from Akuvox. Scan the QR code in the email to log in. Let's see how features work now. Press the door phone's push button, and the app receives the call. Answer the call, and you can tap Unlock to open the door.
Welcome, please come in.
Tap Monitor on the app to view the live feed from the door phone. Tap Unlock to open the door. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll make more technical videos to help you set up Akuvox products and solutions. Thanks for watching.